Hello students, today I will teach you mathematics and the topic is ratio. So let's start the topic. So first of all, we will see that what is the ratio. So it is a comparison of two or more quantities of same units. So a ratio is basically a comparison of two or more quantities of same units. That is, the two or more quantities that the unit of the quantities should be same, and it is expressed by the sign this colon. This colon is the sign of ratio. So for example, if we have two quantities, that is 5 minutes and 5 seconds. So if we try to find the ratio between 5 minutes and 5 seconds, it is never possible because the units of the two quantities are completely different. One is minutes and second one is second. So in this case, we have to convert minute into seconds or seconds into minutes to find the ratio of the quantities with same units. So here we will convert minutes into second. So 1 minute, as we know, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 5 minutes is equal to 60 into 5, that is 300 seconds. So now the both unit are same. So now we can find the ratio between 5 minutes, that is 30 seconds, and 5 seconds. So ratio is equal to 30:5. This sign is called is/. So here we find the ratio by dividing the both side of the ratio by same number. So if we cut the number by 5, 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30, here 0. So this is the ratio of 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Now let A and B are two quantities of same unit. So the ratio will be A:B. So A is called the first term of the ratio, and B is called the second term of the ratio, and both A and B are known as terms of the ratio. So this is the basic terms regarding the ratio. So it in this case it has two terms, but for example, A:B:C:D. Here terms are A, B, C and D is equal to 4 terms, and A is called first term, B is second term, C is third, and D fourth. If we have another term, then it will call fifth term, sixth term, and so on. So this is the basic things of ratio, and now we have some problems regarding ratio which we have to solve. So let's start solving the problems. So the first problem is find the ratio of each of the following in simplest form. Here the units of the quantities are same, so we can now find the ratio between these. So let's start find the ratio. 350 is to 1400. First we will cut the zeros. Here we cut 1 0, respectively here also we have to cut the 1 0. Now we have 30 is to 140. As I said before that the ratios, when we cut the terms of the ratio, we have to cut them by same number. We cannot cut for 35, the number 35 by 7 or 140 by 5. We have to cut the 35 by 5 and 140 by 5, or 35 by 7 or 140 by 7. We should cut the both side of the ratio by the same number. So if we cut the 35 by 5, it will be 7 and it will be 28. So again 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28 is equal to 1 is to 4. So this is the answer. The next problem we have 1 by 2 hours to 45 seconds. Here we cannot find the ratio directly because the units of the two quantities are completely different. One is hours and second one is seconds. So here we will first convert the hours into seconds. So as we know 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 into 3600. If we cut that number by 2, we have 1800, and if we multiply 18 with 3, we have 5400 seconds. So now the unit of the two quantities are same, seconds and seconds. So now we can find the ratio. So the first part is this one, because we have convert it in from hours to second. So 5400 is to 45. So we will cut the both part of the ratio by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40, 0, and 5 9s are 45. So again if we cut the number it by 9, we will get 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 0. So our ratio will be 120 is to 1. So this is the answer of the problem. Our next problem is simplify the ratio. In this problem the ratio has already given, just we have to find the simplest form of the ratio. So let's start. First we will write the question, then we will convert this mixed fraction into proper or improper functions. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3, 7. So in the denominator part of the fraction we have 2, 6, 4. So here we can cut the number by same digit. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. Now we have the different numbers in the denominator part. So here we have to find the LCM of these numbers of denominator. So if we find the LCM, we will get 6. So now we have to multiply this LCM with the numerator part of the fraction. So here 5 into 6 is to 7 into 6 by 3 is to 7 into 6 by 2. Here we have to cut the number. Now 6 5s are 30, 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. So this is the simplest form of the given ratio. Now the next problem is which ratio is greater, this one or this one. So we will first write the ratio. 1 by 8 is to 1 by 6. So if we cut the new denominator by the same number, it will become more simple. Let's cut. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So now we have to cross multiply the number. So here 3 into 1 3 is to 4 into 1 4, and the fraction will be 3 by 4. This is the simplest form of this ratio. In the same process we have to find the simplest form of this ratio. So 3 by 5. Here we have 3.5 and 4.5. So this is the ratio of the given number is decimal. So here we will convert it into fraction. 5 7s are 35, 5 9s are 45 is equal to 7 is to 9 is equal to 7 by 9. So the question was which ratio is greater. So to solve the problem we have to make the denominator of the both fraction same. So to make the denominator of the both fractions same, we have to find the LCM of the denominator of both fraction. So 9 4, so 9 is to 4 is equal to 36. So we have to multiply it with 36. The LCM become 36. So for the both fraction we have to multiply some number with the denominator of the fraction, that it becomes 36, the LCM. So by multiplying 9 with 4 we get 36. So here we will multiply 9 with 4 as well as with 3. So here we will get 27 by 36. And in this case we will make it 36. So here we have to multiply 9 with 4 as well as with 7 also. 7 4s are 28, 9 4s are 36. So here we will get the same denominator, and now we have to compare the numerator of the both fraction and we have to see that which one is greater. So here 20 is greater than 27. So this fraction is greater. So the answer is 3.5 is to 4.5 is greater than 1 by 8 is to 1 by 6, and this is the answer. I hope I am clear to understand you how to solve this kind of problem. So now we have the next one. So here the next problem is arrange the ratio in ascending order of magnitude, and the ratios are 3 is to 4, 5 is to 12 and 9 is to 16. So we will first write the ratios. So we have 3 is to 4, 5 by 12 and 9 by 16. So to solve this problem, we should first LCM of the denominator part of the fraction, that is 4, 12 and 16. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. 4 into 3 into 4, that is 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. Now we have to multiply 4, 12 or 16 to get the LCM 48. So 4 into, here we will multiply by 12 to get 48, as well as 3 into 12, that is 36 by 48. Now the same technique will be applied for the remaining two fractions. 12 into 4 we will get 48 and the numerator will be 20. And for this fraction also 16 into 3 we will get 48 and the numerator will be 27 by 48. Now we will have the same denominator of each fraction. Now we have to compare the numerator of the fractions, and we have to write the ascending order, that means the smallest one first, then the greater, then the greatest. So the smallest is this one, 20 by 48, that is 5 is to 12. Next we have 27, that is 9 by 16, means 9 is to 16, and then the greatest is 36 by 48, that is 3 is to 4. So this is the ascending order of the given ratios. Now we have the problem sums. So the problem is an alloy consists of 27 1 by 2 kg of copper and 2 1 by 2 kg of tin. Find the ratio by weight of tin to alloy. So here the problem is an alloy consists of copper and tin, and the quantities of copper and tin has already given in the problem sums. So we have to find the ratio of the quantities of tin to alloy. So we will first find the weight of tin, which we already have, that 2 1 by 2 kg, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2 kg, and we have to find the ratio with alloy. So alloy is the combination of copper and tin. So to find the weight of the alloy, we have to add the quantities of copper and tin, because it has already said that alloy consists of copper and tin. So we have to add the quantities here. 27 into 2, 54. 54 plus 1, 55 and 5 by 2, which we already convert in the improper fraction. So here 2 and 55 plus 5 will be 60. So the weight of the alloy will be 60 by 2 kg. Now, as the both unit are same, we can find easily the ratio of the tin to alloy. Here we have tin to alloy. So we have to write the weight of the tin first, then alloy. We cannot write the weight of the alloy first because it mentioned here we have to find the ratio tin to alloy. So the ratio of tin to alloy is, the weight of tin is 5 by 2 and the weight of alloy is 60 by 2. So 60 by 2. So we can cut the denominator with the same number 2, and here we will cut the numerator of the fraction or ratio, that 5 ones are 5, and if we cut the ratio of if we cut the 60 by 5, we will get 12. So the final ratio will be 1:12. So this is the process of solving this problem. So for today this is it. So I hope I can clear the basic concepts of ratio to you guys, and I will show you some more examples of problem sums in my next video. Till then, goodbye, keep practicing and keep watching my video.